Denmark declares COVID no longer poses a threat to society. How about that for a headline? We've been seeing the alternative headlines for about 20 years now, feels like. Prime Minister Frederiksen says restrictions to end on February 1st. Infections at a record, but hospitalizations are easing. And Denmark is kind of the first needle to drop, I guess, because there's I've heard a couple of other countries in that region speaking similar about the easing of restrictions. Denmark will end virus restrictions next week and reclassify COVID-19 as a disease that no longer poses a threat to society. The Nordic country, one of the most vaccinated in the world, won't extend the pandemic measures beyond January 31st. Denmark's decision on reclassifying the virus dramatically pushes forward an idea that's emerged recently in Europe that it's time to start thinking about COVID as endemic rather than a pandemic. However, World Health Organization experts have warned against complacency. The World Health people are still they're still worried. Don't fully move on yet. Stay ready. Anyway, yeah. So I don't know. Around here, I'd say starting maybe yesterday, a lot of stuff came back. The hockey was all called off, and then that's coming back. I got with the kids a couple tournaments coming up. Maybe we're on the other side of this thing, even as Omicron surges. It just appears to potentially not be affecting people quite so much, and I guess at least in Denmark, it sounds like they're dealing with it, and the hospitalizations aren't so significant. So I don't know. Is that good news? What do you guys think here? Good news?
Yeah, a lot of people are sick of it. And this could be a good test to kind of see.
What do you mean by that?
Like if everything's open, there's no restrictions.
Right.
Then the society would be able to just be free. And it's kind of like maybe like a testing ground,
Right.
To kind of see if it gets worse.
I see what you're saying.
Back.
I see what you're saying. But I guess they must believe that they have a big enough sample now to be able to project kind of what's going on. Mm-hmm. What do they say? 7K? Yeah, I mean, look, it's spiking, and they're still saying, they're like, everyone's getting it, right? Mm-hmm. It's just not as severe by the appearance of it. Now, by the way, this doesn't say that you can still get very sick. Obviously, you can still get very sick. Mm-hmm. We're well aware of all those scenarios, but it's these big pools of data, and I guess every country is entitled to its own approach to this, but I tend to think we're going to see more of this as in our short future, actually. Jack's not touching it.
No, I was going to say I'm down to move to Denmark right now.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good.
All right. I thought you weren't touching it with a 10-foot pole. You're like, what is the word in the headline? I'll just be over here for a bit. Get back to me later.